I'm Joanna Lopez, Career Development Coach for on-the-job training program at Workforce Solutions. I have been working with the Houston Furniture Bank for 2 years, providing professional coaching and support for the employees that have been hired through on-the-job training program. Antonio started as a volunteer at the Houston Furniture Bank during the first week of October of last year. He did an exceptional job, so Bill Lindsay, the director of operation at Houston Furniture Bank, saw him as someone that they would like to hire permanently, even though he didn't have warehouse experience.
Hi, my name is Antonio Delgado, and I work here at the Houston Furniture Bank. I went to the Workforce Solutions, and I met everyone there and the counselors, and they gave me advice and on what to do in places, where to go, and employers that are looking for candidates like me willing to work.
I started working with the employer to identify Antonio's training needs and to create a training plan program that allow Antonio to be a successful warehouse clerk. Some of the training include OSHA, safety, machine operations, mattress recycling, refurbishing, all of these which can be used for his future as a warehouse supervisor.
I didn't know anything about the OJT program, but what I did learn about the OJT program is that they're with you the whole step of the way. From needing anything, like when I say anything, like they gave me gift cards, to buy me gloves. They gave me the gas cards. And that's something that I really needed and something that I didn't have to worry about because the OJT program was with me every step of the way, and my experiences with them. So I definitely appreciate all the work that the OJT program has done for me.
For Antonio, has been beneficial to have a supervisor that went through on the job training program. Corey, his supervisor, has a good understanding of how people learn better and what are some things that he needs to know to be an effective warehouse clerk.
My name is Corey Blackwell. I'm a recycling manager at the Houston Furniture Bank. On the job training program is helping Antonio by providing assistance with gas cards as well as PPE, personal equipment, where he's able to conduct his job properly. Antonio is a successful training is basically because he came in enthusiastic. He came in motivated. He wanted to learn the job, and he learned very quickly. As far as the on the job training program, I do notice that they also have coaches that provide excellent assistance. Joanna Lopez actually supports the trainee, be it if it's something personal or it's actually related to the job. So that's a great benefit to have a coach that's able to meet the needs of the person that's coming through the program.
So Joanna, she has helped me every step of my way. She's called me, she's emailed me if I needed anything, even if she was going anywhere, she would ask me or send me an email if I needed anything before she left.
Antonio has actually learned the whole process as far as the warehouse. I see him actually transferring to other departments. He's a keen learner. I mean, he takes leadership skills also. I believe he's able to eventually become a manager also. As far as in the recycling department or in the distribution center. Anywhere he goes, he's showing great progress.
Say a year from now, I might be a manager in the office, even though I probably wouldn't stay in that office, but I'll probably have an office. That's what I see, if not bigger, here at the Houston Furniture Bank.
The on-the-job training program is a great asset to the Houston Furniture Bank as well as to the trainees. I was actually one of the trainees myself, so I'm able to experience it from both ends of the spectrum, as being an employer as well as a trainee.
Antonio has been able to help the Houston Furniture Bank to be more organized, more effective in their deliveries and sales. The Houston Furniture Bank values and appreciates Antonio's hard work, and as a result of that, they have increased his salary. I am really proud of Antonio, and I celebrate his success.